In the heart of the untouched forest, water begins its quiet journey. It moves gently over stone and earth, shaping time without a sound. Each ripple carries a memory, each drop reflects the sky above. Light filters through the leaves, dancing on the surface of the stream. Here the world slows down, breath becomes lighter, thoughts begin to fade. This is not just water flowing, it is the forest breathing, inviting us to pause, to listen, and to remember what it means to feel truly alive.